In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money between bank accounts in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a clean, accurate transfer so your bank reconciliation stays effortless. Start on the Xero dashboard, where your bank accounts appear as tiles. Find the account you're moving money from. This is your source account. On that tile, open the options menu, often shown as 3 dots. This menu gives you quick actions related to that specific account, so using it ensures the transfer is created from the correct place. From the menu, choose Transfer Money. This tells Xero you're moving funds between 2 accounts you already have set up, rather than paying a bill or receiving income. It keeps everything neat, with an outflow in one account and a matching inflow in the other. You'll land on the transfer form. In the To field, select the destination account, such as your savings account. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the right account, especially if you have multiple accounts with similar names. If your organization uses multiple currencies, make sure the accounts match the currency you expect, as that affects how Xero records the movement. Next, enter the date. Use the date the transfer actually occurred on your bank statement, or the posting date if it's different from the initiation date. Getting the date right is important. It helps Xero line up your transfer with the bank feed so the reconciliation is quick and accurate. Now, enter the amount. Type the full amount of the transfer exactly as it appears at the bank, including cents. It's a good idea to pause and double check you haven't transposed digits. If your bank charged a separate fee, record that fee as its own transaction later, so the transfer amount remains clean and matches the statement. When everything looks correct, source account, destination account, date, and amount, click Transfer. Xero will create 2 linked entries, one leaving the source account and one arriving in the destination account. When your bank feeds update, you'll see matching lines ready to reconcile, which should only take a click because the details align. That's all there is to it. Using the Accounts Options menu to start the transfer, choosing the correct To account, entering the accurate date and amount, and confirming with transfer keeps your books tidy and your reconciliation smooth. Thanks for watching, and keep these small accuracy checks in mind each time. You'll save a lot of time during month end.